Do police officers carry fully automatic or semi-automatic rifles? Now, it is true that some police departments have purchased fully automatic rifles from government surplus, but usually those will only be distributed for SWAT officers. The majority of the police that you're going to meet on the street will only carry a handgun on their person, and they'll usually have a shotgun in their car. Some departments do have the funding to also have a rifle in the car as well, but this is a city-by-city basis because not all of them actually have enough money to be having rifles in every patrol car. Now, in the rare situations that you do see a police officer with a rifle, it is probably going to be a semi-automatic, unless this is a special weapons and tactics team that may be using fully automatic. Even if the rifle is fully automatic though, it's pretty rare that they're actually going to be using the full fun switch.